Hey there, I'm Peter, co-founder at GetSales, and today I'm going to show you around GetSales, and I hope you love what you see. So let's kick off. Once you signed up on GetSales, you bump into the team management page where you can easily create a first project and invite all relevant teammates to manage this workspace. Apparently, you can create as many workspaces as needed, and you can easily switch between them, or you can open them in separate tabs of your browser. So let's imagine you've already created the first project. So the next step is to create your first sender profile. You can create as many sender profiles as needed. You can attach them all in a single place, both LinkedIn accounts, email inboxes. You can choose our proxies. You can use your own proxies, data center proxies, residential proxies. Everything is super safe. Moreover, we're backed up by Go Login anti-detect browser. So now you can run a single session. And in this single session, the automation would be happening. Plus, you would be able to access your account from the same session. Plus, you would be able to share this access with all relevant people, which is super important for companies who are running a lot of outbound activities, especially lead gen agencies. And now let's look at this unified inbox, which is brilliant because since you have this architecture with all the sender profiles in a single place, you can as well access the unified inbox where you can communicate with your prospects from all of the sender profiles all in one place. What can be better than that is that you are not only sending connection requests and messages, you can as well access the communication history, because once you connect in your LinkedIn profiles and inboxes and uploading leads to GetSales, we're synchronizing all the activities. So since now you can leverage this data to get higher conversions. But leveraging this historical communication during the conversation is not the only way. What you can actually do is you can filter your leads, re-engage and nurture them, because you can easily find leads based on any scenario. For example, you can find leads to whom you send a connection request 3 months ago, they accepted your connection, then they ignored your sequence, and you won't find them just in 3 clicks. You can find all leads with whom you are connected from various profiles. You can identify the best profiles to reach out to prospects, and along with this activities data, you can as well filter leads based on various data points, because our system enriches your leads with additional information. Work email, headline, about, recent posts, recent job titles, location, position. There are so many data points. Besides, you can enrich any lead at any point of time. So if you want to update the data, you can do that. Just click one button. But how do you upload leads to GetSales? There are essentially 4 options for that. First of all, you can use a CSV and you can upload both contacts and accounts. The other one is using Sales Navigator search, various filters. The last one is basic search. Again, it's all about Sales Navigator and LinkedIn. But there is as well an additional way when you can use our Chrome extension, which can save your leads right to GetSales. Besides, you can see if lead is already saved, which is really helpful for collaboration of your SDR and sales teams. And lastly, they can access these historical communications right through our extension, which is awesome. Perfect. So now we're ready to create our first automation. You can create as many as needed. You're not limited. You can run simultaneously automations from all your sender profiles for all your leads. Like, you can do whatever you need because it's super flexible and powerful. But once you start building the automation, you'll realize that you have even more options. You can create as many entrance points as needed. You can edit your automation on the go. You can add leads directly from CRM, or you can create an auto filter to enroll leads automatically. You can choose all of your sender profiles or some of your sender profiles, and then you're building with blocks. No connection, let's send connection. No connection, let's do some social activities. No connection, withdraw. No connection, but our system found an email, let's start sending emails. Or maybe we should start over again. Let's cycle the process, switching the sender profiles again and again to increase the overall conversion. But what if you are connected with the lead already? So you have multiple options as well. Yeah, you can start sending these automatic messages, or maybe, just maybe, you want to use some manual touches. So you can do that as well. So in that case, you just find a follow-up task and you do research, make a compliment to your lead, and then continue automation. And let's imagine that the rest of the messages, follow-ups, they would be automated, but not the first one. So you can stand out. And actually, there are so many small pieces like that that makes GetSales really powerful tool for your needs.